that he turned down the Ghana national team job offer. If that is true, then obviously people will ask whether he is waiting for Ibafana Bafana opportunity. He stated that he would love to compete in the AFCON competition. And honestly speaking, when you look at the experience, the pedigree, and understanding of African football, very few coaches can match Uputse Musimani. This is a coach who has won the CAF Champions League, dominated South African football, coached in Egypt, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and beyond. He understands the pressure, he understands tournament football, and most importantly, he understands South African players. And I just think that he has unfinished business with the Bafana Bafana, especially now with the experience that he has acquired. The other thing with Upito is his personality, he carries authority. Players respect him, opponents respect him, and at international level, that matters a lot because sometimes managing a national team is more about mentality and just leadership than daily coaching sessions. But there is another side to this debate. Some people feel that Upito works better at club level where he has more control over recruitment, he has more control over training and just long-term projects. And international football is very different because